Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on the Temu app. So this can be helpful if you place an order by mistake, chose the wrong item, or found a better option before the order has been shipped. So to start, open the Temu app on your phone. After that, go to your profile or account page, then open the orders section. Look for the order that you want to cancel, but just keep in mind that the order usually needs to still be processing because once it has already been shipped, the cancel option may no longer be available. So once you find the order, tap on it to open the order details and scroll through the page until you see the option to cancel the order. Tap cancel order, then select the item that you want to cancel, and after choosing the item, tap next step. And now Temu will ask for the reason why you want to cancel and choose the reason that matches your situation. For example, you can select that you found a cheaper option somewhere else, or you can choose another reason that applies to you. So once you have selected a reason, tap next step again. After that, review the cancellation details, then tap confirm cancellation. And once you do that, the cancellation request will start processing. You may need to wait for a moment while Temu updates the order status. When it is done, you can go back to your orders and check if the order now shows as canceled. And that is how you can cancel an order on the Temu app. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.